Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Mom. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and today's video is all about reusing those leftovers. So I have a really super simple recipe that we're going to be throwing together. It's only going to take a few moments. It is a cranberry turkey salad, and it is a copycat recipe for H-E-B. It is a Texas-based grocery store. It's their chain of grocery stores, and they're really awesome. They have all kinds of in-house made recipes. I have a ton of turkey left over from Thanksgiving, so I am going to be making turkey salad. And it only calls for a few ingredients, and I had all of them on hand. I did go and purchase some of these New York style, I don't know, deli rolls that we're going to be using. To get started, what you're going to need is 3 cups of shredded or diced turkey or chicken, depending on what kind of salad you're making. You're going to need half a cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of sour cream, which I just threw all into one little cup there. You're going to need 1/4 cup of diced onion. I'm using just white onion. You're also going to need 3/4 of a cup of cranberries, and what you're going to do is boil 2 cups of water, and then you're going to put the cranberries in there and let them soak for about 10 minutes. The next thing you're going to need is your seasonings, and that is 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill, and then depending on if you have garlic salt on hand, I usually don't have that. So I just did a little shake of garlic powder, but it calls for half a teaspoon of garlic salt. So what I did was just a little shake of garlic powder and a good pinch of salt. And then lastly, if you want to add a little bit of sugar to this, 1 teaspoon of sugar, I went on and added it. I've never made this recipe before, so I'm trying to stick as close to it as possible. And that is all you're gonna need, and I have it all measured out, so I'm just going to dump it all in, and we're gonna see what this looks like. My mom used to make turkey salad after Thanksgiving every single year, and I always thought to myself, like, this is so much better than the actual turkey was. It was so good. It was super simple, wasn't all these ingredients. Now what I think I'm gonna do is dice up these cranberries really quickly. Looks very mayonnaise-y. But I think that's going to be good. I think especially for the turkey, after having it in the fridge for several days, it's needing some moisture for sure. All right, let's chop up the cranberries. I've never thought to put cranberries in a chicken salad, but you know, a lot of recipes have like apples and what else have I seen? Grapes. I've seen grapes. So I'm just gonna run a knife through and chop this up. And the recipe says to kind of mash this into the turkey salad just to kind of almost infuse it with cranberry flavor. And I think that's partially why you soak them, so that they'll be easier to mash into the turkey salad. And these are sweetened. I guess you could use unsweetened, but it just said it calls for craisins, so I think most craisins are sweetened, but I'm not sure. I think that's good. looks like a lot. So if you don't like cranberries at all, this may not be your recipe. I don't know, we'll see. I think it's gonna be good. It just says to take like your spoon or your fork and kind of mash them in to kind of infuse it. And that's it. I am gonna taste this and see. Sometimes I feel like a lot of recipes don't call for enough seasoning, but this may be perfect. But I'm gonna check it. And then you wanna keep it in your fridge, put it in there and let it set for about 2 hours. I don't think we will eat this tonight. I think this is gonna be for tomorrow. So it'll sit overnight and get really good. But I'm gonna try to put together, I found a recipe for turkey tetrazzini that I'm gonna try. Oh, isn't that a lovely sound? Okay. Let's see how that is. Oh my God. This tripod is unbelievable, guys. Oh my gosh. This is outstanding. I'm trying to stand you up tall. Look at tall. Guys. This is, I'm shocked. What does the young people say? I'm shook. Wow. And this doesn't even set in the fridge for the recommended 2 hours. I think you do want sweetened cranberries because that's just gives it all that. Oh, it's so good. I'm pretty shocked with this. I don't think it needs anything. I'm gonna take another bite because it's good. I love this. I love it. It's a good thing because it made quite a bit. I have to admit, I'm not a huge cranberry fan, but I have discovered this Thanksgiving that if given the right ingredient and what am I talking about? If given the right recipes, I like cranberries a lot. And this is one of those. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is insane. I'm gonna link the recipe in the description below because you're gonna want it. It's so good. Okay, I gotta put it in the fridge because this is so good. I'm gonna eat it all. Okay. All right, I just wanted to show you guys, if I can move that out of the way. Just wanted to show you the finished product. So here's the turkey salad I made earlier, and it's all finished. It's huge. Look at this roll. I'm so excited to eat that. And then I went on and whipped up some potato pancakes with the rest of the mashed potatoes from Thanksgiving. So that got used up. So I'm pretty proud. This is like a full out leftover creation meal, and it's gonna be so good. So thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and take care. Bye.